In this video, I will show you 5 different ways you can center an element vertically inside a container. Let's start. I have created 5 different sections, and in each section a heading tag and a div tag and paragraph inside that div tag. We are going to align this paragraph vertically inside this div. I have given black as background color for our section and light blue for our div. Now using table, I will first give display table property for our container div, and to the paragraph inside the div I will give display table cell and vertical align middle. This is not a commonly used method. Now second way is using position absolute. You need to give position absolute to the content you need to align vertically. Once I give position absolute, I can define its absolute position. So I will give top 50% and left 50%. We need to position absolute this paragraph with respect to its container. So first I will give its container div position relative. You can see that we have given top and left 50%. So the content will start from 50% top and 50% from left. We need the content in the center, not start from the center. For that, we need to decrease 50% of content height, 50% of content width. For that, I will use transform translate. Now you have different options here. If you use translate x and minus 50%, x means in horizontal and minus value indicate to move to the left side. So transform translate x minus 50% means it will move towards the left 50% of its width. Like that, we can use translate y minus 50% to move 50% of its height to top. Or we can combine these two values. We can use translate minus 50% comma minus 50%. The first value is for horizontal direction and second for vertical direction. Next we have flex properties. Using flex properties, we can make the content vertically centered by giving display flex, justify content center, and align item center. Here justify item center is used to align the content horizontally center and align item center for vertically center. Like flex, we can use grid, giving display grid and place items center. Using flex and grid, we have given style to the container, not to the content. The last method is using margins. To align content in the center using margins, we need to give display flex or display grid to the container. And to the content, we can give margin auto. Like I said, we can use display flex also and give margin auto for the content. If the container has multiple contents, we cannot give margin auto to make it vertically and horizontally centered. These are the 5 methods to align the content inside a div vertically and horizontally in center. If you know of another method, please mention it in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.